Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we will be doing a quick practice in drawing the very famous and very dreadful alien. Uh, uh, it's one of those aliens, so we are going to go with a more popular shape. I'm just establishing my work area and then we are ready to roll. It's an easier exercise than you think. What we're going to do is just put in an oval there, and as you have guessed, that is the bulkiest part of our alien, and that is his very lethal head. We're going to put in some dimension here, a line going like that, and right down the middle, just as a guide. And then we're going to put in an arc in the back, and we're going to put in an arc here, an arc right here, an oval and an oval, and we're going to put in an arc here. Now you will know why I'm going about this. I would recommend using a pencil right through for this hopefully quick practice, but I'm going to use a marker from this point on so that it can be better visible on the camera. So we're just going to go like so. That is that dome of the alien. We end somewhere around here, and there will be some variations as far as I know whenever we are doing aliens. Now there's a little curvature at the back of the head there, so we are going to go like so. So far it's only been a set of lines. Let's put in those lethal teeth right there. I don't remember how many there are, but it doesn't really matter. You could have more and it will be more effective in terms of the fear it generates. So right there we have to have the outstretched mouth. Now this one is not that outstretched, but that's fine. So teeth going here at the bottom, some teeth vanishing right there. He has that very characteristic chin that we all know. Now this is a design essentially with which we could have a lot of fun, because sometimes artists' depictions of the creature differ from artist to artist. So right there is our creature. We're going to put in a part of his shoulder there. Just put in some light lines to show that there's something there. Part of his shoulder right here. And one arm is coming up in the front from that side. Now essentially they have slim arms, but which have segments on them, striations and whatnot. And then there is There are those dreadfully long fingers. And for that same matter, you could, just for effect, you could have one hand somewhere here, do not be shy to put in lots of dents and, as I said, striations, scales. And then you could just show a part of that rib cage. After all, we are doing a quick practice here. That arm going right there. So, and then I'm going to put in, just for effect, I brought it here, but I'm going to just make it steer clear of the rest of the alien here, and that will be its lethal and very, very impressionable tail. Again, there's no rhythm except for what you can put in, and just some popular elements to be taken care of. For instance, it has this armored plate.